Repco Drive Shafts are a high-quality, ready-to-install complete shaft assembly which includes all the components required for a quick, easy job, replacing your full shaft assembly in a single, fully assembled unit. Repco Drive Shafts include heat-treated and precision-machined solid steel center shafts, heat-treated machine-ground cages, races and bearings for better performance and longer life. They are assembled with high-quality neoprene dust boots and stainless steel boot clamps which dramatically reduce water ingress and prevent contamination. Plus, high-quality grease withstands high temperature and high torque demand to ensure long-lasting, reliable performance. Repco currently offer over 1,000 unique parts, the best range in Australia, and Repco Drive Shafts are the top of the line and built to OEM specifications with a life expectancy of over 100,000 kilometres. They also have a 5-year, 100,000 kilometre warranty.